YouTube, man, YouTube was popping, man. I'm back with another video, man. In this video, I take my dog Juan to the gun range, man. Finna see what that nigga is skilled like, you feel me? But yeah, I just had to, come up here, you know what I'm saying? What I always do, tap in with y'all. But today, I checked the mail. Nigga got a pack in the mail, so I'm about to set y'all up. So y'all can see how this bitch looking real quick. Yeah. Love, oh snap, and a knife right here. Crazy how that works. Bro gave me some free Pokemon cards, bro. That's hard. Like, I don't even, be on Pokemon, but bro sent me that, so I'm gonna keep that. That shit hard though. Then we open up the shirt, yeah, yeah. This motherfucker is so hard. Distress tee. Y'all want me to try it on for y'all? I know y'all niggas want me to try it on, man. Okay, I'll be right back, bro. So that's how it fit, man. A little small, crop tee. And of course, I'm gonna have a shirt on under this. Like, why wouldn't I? But, y'all see, man. Nice little crop tee. Then I'm gonna have the hard-ass pants. Right now, this fit kind of goes with the Balenci's, man. I'm doing it to y'all like a full view, but I don't know how I'm gonna do that. Let me set this up real quick. But yeah, man, y'all see the fit, man. Check me out. Check me out. I look like I'm about to take your girl, nigga. I'm about to take your girl, nigga. On Valentine's Day, nigga. That's when I'm recording this shit, nigga. I'm about to take your girl, nigga. Yeah, nigga. How you feel about that when I pull up on your girl? Hit her with one of these. If you watch my other vlog, you know what I said, nigga. When I hit this motion right here, nigga, I mean, come on. And she gonna slide and gonna fuck her, yeah. Get on. I'm gonna catch y'all boys when we get to Juan crib. I just wanted to show y'all the drip that came in the mail. Back, and we just arrived at Juan crib, man. So, about to go in there and get my dog Juan. We're about to head to the gun range, man. We're about to let them shots off, as y'all can see. We got the GLOCK, we got the GLOCK ski, Glock 19 Gen 5. Then we got the ARP ski over there, man. So we well prepared, man. We got rounds and all that, man. So, yeah, we about to get this started, man. We finna go crazy, man. I'm gonna catch y'all boys. Yeah. Let's get it, man. Niggas made it to the gun range, finally. 528. Niggas about to let some shots off in these motherfucker. Let some shots off in this motherfucker. This shit. Oh shit. My bad if I'm twirling y'all niggas around. I'm trying to get this shit right. Get my other phone. You hear it, man? Y'all see the duffel bag? Got the lock on it. Oh shit. Appreciate it.
3-4 miles and had guys jump off the boat while we're finishing. I mean, y'all are insane.
How you doing?
You guys don't carry the Liberty 45 video. Do we have a membership?
Probably don't. You can look it up by a number or something like that.
Do you get a pink card like this?
Yeah, but it probably was like last year, so it's probably expired or something.
Do you have ID protection?
Oh yes, I actually gotta get out of the car. I don't know why I didn't bring it.
And what are we shooting today?
ARP and Glock 19 Gen 5.
Can you see the mags and ammo?
You said the mags?
Yeah, mags and ammo.
I'm not sure when this one's ready. I got these bullets.
It's just 300 block, right?
Yeah.
It's flip up, flip down.
You wanna just see it?
Yeah. As long as you had something on the top rail,
yeah.
We can't let you shoot flat top, but you got to flip up, red dot.
Okay, appreciate it. Who you think that old dude in that Genesis? Oh no, somebody in there. I was about to say, you think that old dude who is like nearest in that Genesis right there? No, there's somebody in there. Probably the first nigga to go in this bitch with the AirPod Maxes for my ears, nigga. These shit's noise cancellation too. What the fuck? I can't hear shit. Alright, cool, we ready. Look at my nigga Juan, man. Nigga Juan this nigga be cold for some reason. Every time we go to the, like, every time we go outside, bro, this nigga be cold.
Just gotta get the heat up.
So you gotta get the heat up.
So you'll just sign in after he's done.
Okay.
While we're waiting for that. You see that target on the wall behind you?
Uh-huh.
So that's how you're gonna hang this one up.
Okay.
Just like this.
Okay.
You're gonna send it all the way to the back.
Okay.
That's basically, that's one for your 300 blackouts.
Alright.
Don't fold it, don't flip it, don't rapid fire, shoot there.
Okay.
Merry Christmas.
Appreciate that.
And then your pistol one is gonna be down here, anything really that you take.
Okay.
And like I told him, you'll take anything that's in day 2.
Alright, appreciate that.
What's going on, man? How y'all boys doing with it? Gotta make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I can't even say that. He gonna blur that out. He gonna blur that out for y'all.
Which target you wanna use? You wanna use this? You wanna use the zombie or you wanna use this dude who look like he from Dubai? So they got this one. This nigga look like he from Dubai. And then they got this one. And then you can always get the regular generic one when you come here. You got this. On the 7? Yeah, right there. Hold on, go back a little bit more. Alright, right there, boom. We're gonna see where my nigga Juan at with the Glock there. Alright, you wanna go first or you want me to go first?
Alright, you gonna show you how to back, nigga.
Alright, hold this for me. Them niggas talk about some, that nigga Juan some poop. That nigga Juan trash,
He talking about how to wash. Nigga gotta wash, yo. Half the time I just be bullshit. Okay?
Alright, I'm gonna say something. We're gonna shoot a Glock one time. That's cool enough. Damn, I wish I had some more bullets. That right there.
Damn, you got some good shots right here.
I shot one,
No
two,
vital
three,
points,
four,
nigga.
5, 6, 7. I ain't dookie right now, bro.
That's gonna be my first time, nigga.
For real. Y'all seen my shit, bro? That shit. Let's see if my nigga. Pull it back. Let's see what my nigga Juan is doing. I might gotta buy some more, bro. I might just buy some more so we can at least. Dang. Okay. My nigga Juan ain't looking kind of decent. Yeah, Juan got this one right here. He caught a nigga right there. He caught that nigga right there in the middle of that nigga temple. Caught that nigga on the left side. Then over there, he got the. So I was looking a little rusty, bro. I'm about to go buy some more. I'm gonna buy some more because I need some. All right, bet. Yeah, put it all the way to the back.
Damn.
By far. All the way to the back, ski. Crazy, buddy, crazy. Damn, look how I'm gonna put it in times 3. This times 3 and it's still not even up there. So y'all. Don't joke my bag, y'all. I need a new bag. We're not shooting these today. This on protection shit right here, what we spraying niggas with, but we're not shooting these. I gotta see my dog whine. I'm still learning this shit too. This is my second time shooting. Yeah, that's my first. I said that was his first time shooting. Huh?
Is it?
Okay. Okay. My nigga Juan at least put 2 on the board, nigga.
Yeah.
Nigga put 2 on the board. Yeah.
5.
You're not keeping your brass, are you?
No.
I'm taking it then.
Thank you. That bitch so it could be like a good point of view. The ARP, the GLOCK ski, man. Fucking GLOCK. If you didn't know, all you gotta do is press this button, that bitch gonna slap. That shit go down like that. I'm gonna try to hit that nigga in his mouth.
That's what I'm trying. Fucking cold.
Okay. I put 2 in that nigga's mouth, nigga. I ain't hit the target, but shit.
That's what that nigga jawline.
See that? Now I'm gonna get a little POV for y'all niggas. Good POV. This how I look when you behind the GLOCK, nigga. for that nigga mouth, man. Somebody got the AMG right there. Fuck. This cold is good. Oh yeah, what I was saying, like, cause you were talking about if a nigga had an oxygen bar selling it. So I was like, what if you get off the airport, right? And then as soon as you land, and a nigga
right
like, alright, bet. You get off the airport, as soon as you land, and you walk out the airport doors, a nigga like just sitting there with like one of the cup shits, and he be like,
what cup shit?
like, you know how niggas be holding the cup shits, right? And they like
A chain?
yeah, but this a nigga who like actually charging shit, like he not a homeless dude. And the dude like, he say this, all right bro, you just touched down, nigga. Nigga be like, all right bro, it's $5 to breathe out here.
Get the fuck out my face. What the fuck is wrong with you, nigga?
That nigga be, whoa, that nigga be like, all right, $5 to breathe out here. What you say?
Like, get the fuck out my face.
Bro, I'ma look at that nigga, bro. I'ma look at that nigga like he retarded, bro. Cause I remember,
Nigga, what?
I remember it.
$5 to breathe.
Bro, the Jumix, nigga.
I'll tell you that.
I'm telling you, boy, you get this and you let it get cold, you gonna be on the game like, come on, this shit good as hell, nigga.
And then this shit, man.
Oh yeah, them shit used to bust. They used to have them in them fat ass bottles. You remember?
Mm-hmm.
They upped the size on them now.
You did?
Yeah, cause remember they was smaller than this. Damn, they got crayon watermelon. Let me know if you're gonna try this before. What the fuck is this? Caramel cream with Oreo. Nigga, what? That shit look like some bullshit. Juan is a cookie lover, bro. Y'all niggas don't know, bro. This nigga love cookies, bro.
Yes, sir, man. You can never go wrong with the cookies.
Nigga Juan either always getting some cookies or he always baking some cookies, bro.
Yes, sir. You never go wrong with cookies, bro. You
Dang.
never go wrong.
Bro, what the fuck is this, bro?
Man,
Peanut
that's
butter.
the #1 snack.
Peanut butter Reese's.
Nigga.
Cook-
Cookies is the #1 snack.
Go ahead and get this, bro.
in the
This
world, nigga. I'm not
cookies.
getting that bullshit.
Why not, bro?
Fuck that.
Crayon watermelon, bro. Is this shit good, bro? The kiwi straw. Oh my god.
What's up about the snack?
They got my favorite chips, bro. Bro, if y'all give me these chips, bro, I love you forever, bro. If you get me these chips. No cap, bro. It's too good. I said you be drinking the carrot ones.
What?
The carrot mystics.
Carrot?
Carrot, yeah.
Huh?
Carrot, like it's a carrot flavor.
Oh, carrot, bro.
And nigga, why? I mean, Tay be drinking.
What the fuck? Carrot.
If I call that nigga right now, bro, he gonna say, yeah.
Peanut butter chocolate cookie.
You the type of nigga to eat Rolos, bro.
I had one before. That
This nigga actually tried it, bro.
He swore, but he was fat.
Yeah.
And I knocked him out with one hit, though. And then my black friends that were behind, they like jumped on him like it was wrestling, and they said 1, 2, 3. I was like, what the?
Damn.
That shit was funny. I've been watching wrestling forever, though.
Hell yeah. What the fuck? These niggas got a Twinkie drink. Bro, this nigga still yelling. Bro, they got. Damn, this nigga still talking. Is it that one? Fuck. I got so much shit, nigga. Shut up. Look at one there. Have a nice night, man. Oh, the bro finished my thumbnails. You wanna WhatsApp your life? Nigga, get up with me. Man, that nigga was done an hour ago. Valid. Look at this thumbnail, bro. Day in the life clothing brand. On the y'all see that shit? That shit hard. Nigga, hey. That shit valid. What dropped?
The other part.
This nigga. Nigga, Juan got butterfingers.
Fell down my pants.
You wanna show how to be a boss? Nigga, get up with me. You wanna pay that price? Nigga, get up with me. You wanna pay half off? Nigga, get up with me. Okay, nigga. Don't talk to me, nigga. Fucking litty, nigga. Litty like a fucking titty, nigga. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, Yeah, YBG. Gang. Yeah.